Alexandru's
And his opponent, standing across the cage, fighting out of the red corner. He is a mixed martial artist, and he's 5'7" tall, weighing in at 65.9 kilos. His record, 7 wins, 3 defeats. Fighting out of Busan, South Korea. I give you the reigning, defending, undisputed UAE Warriors featherweight champion of the world, Gyeom Lee!
Is he gonna be for the first time able to defend the belt? Because so far, everybody, every champion has lost. First Roland D, first defense, lost to him.
Wow.
And now is his first defense.
Gonna make history. Having his chance.
Alexandru's ready, man.
Is this featherweight, Lucio? They look pretty big for featherweight.
The featherweight is strong. Alexandru is very big, man. Cut a lot of weight. I'm not sure about the Korean.
He looks big too. Look at his legs.
Yeah.
A lot of study. Take their time.
Alexandru is very relaxed. I thought he was going to rush to go for a takedown or something. Because his jiu-jitsu is really good, as we talked before.
As a wrestler, it's so easy to adapt jiu-jitsu in the game.
The thing about the good wrestlers is that they can keep the fight wherever they want, right? When you're really good.
Yeah, the top control that the wrestler give you with.
You know, the thing about Chitoran is this guy is really a homegrown UAE Warriors guy, which is kind of exciting. You want to see those guys rise up to a championship. So what a big opportunity this is for Alexandru, a guy that has fought everybody that's come in front of him. He's looked good, and now he gets that opportunity to take the next huge step to being a world champion. What a big moment for him. He looks so focused too, man. Even before the fight, so focused. But on the flip side, guys, how proud to be a champion is Gyeom Lee. This guy really takes that seriously, and it feels like you kind of have to kill this guy to take that title off of him. You know what I mean? So, what a fight here. 5 rounds. Incredible.
Amazing matchup.
He seems very relaxed and confident.
Lucio, do you think there could be maybe an issue going 5 rounds instead of 3 for a guy like Alexandru who's never had this opportunity? Because it's a huge difference. Huge difference.
It is, and he cuts a lot of weight. At least is the impression. Look at the size of him. He's a very big guy. But I think he can prepare. I think he's been asking for this fight for a long time.
Yeah.
Really long time.
Yeah, 5 rounds is always hard.
Of course. I mean,
it's very hard to know how he's gonna deal with that. But I'm sure he trained for that, so.
But at least here, Gyeom Lee has not fight also.
Yeah.
5 rounds. He knocked out Rolando D.
yeah,
fast
you're
this
right.
time.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
So
Well,
we
these
don't
guys
know.
train for 5 rounds. They do that every day, so.
But training for it and being under the lights for the title, man, you know, it could
It's very
be
different.
We're going to find out, you know, who really is championship material here. Gyeom Lee, they always say that you're not really the true champion until you defend that title. You know, so Gyeom Lee really wants to make a statement.
And he moves so well, so fast.
His footwork is really good.
What a good showing for South Korea this would be if Gyeom can also defend his title. We just saw earlier tonight that insane heel hook that was landed by Gook.
Oh, yes.
Oh, my goodness.
And they come from the same camp. They train together, I believe.
And he's on his corner, actually.
Wow. Oh, my goodness. Blake Christ nearly stepped in. And there it is. The champion retains Gyeom Lee.
Wow.
On his corner, actually.
Oh.
Actually.
Oh.
But still fighting.
Anyways, Alexandru. He'll come back. He'll come back.
And still, UAE Warriors Featherweight Champion, Gyeom Lee! If he works here with the champion, Gyeom Lee, they say you are not champion until you defend the title. You defended the title. How do you feel right now?
좋습니다. 아주 뭐라고 말을 못 하겠네요. Damn good.
Yes, that's his
You
first
had a very, very
World
tough
Series, so
opponent in Alexandru
easy.
Chitoran, undefeated guy.
Chidil, maybe
Did this
on his
fight
mind he was
go
still
as
there,
you planned it, ending it so quickly?
일단은
I mean, he was hurt,
무패 선수
so
그리고 아주 강자셨는데 이번 경기 운영은 그 게임 플랜대로
He'll be
운영이
alright.
되셨는지.
예, 항상 뭐 제가 말씀드리는 건데 한 3가지 정도 제가 플랜을 짜오는데요. 첫 번째에서 잘 들어맞았어요.
You know, as usual, I bring several game plans in my game, but again today I finished it on the actually worked, so I'm very glad about it.
Everybody wants to know, of course, what is next for you? Are we going to see you defend this title again? It feels like you love being in UAE Warriors. Explain to us.
일단은 다음이 무엇인지 다시 그 도전권을 하실 건지.
제가 오늘 드리고 싶은 말씀이 있습니다. 이제는 UFC에서 UAE Warriors 패더급 챔피언의 강함을 제가 한번 증명해 보고 싶습니다. 한번 기회를 주십시오.
Yeah, you know, I love the
Back to the
UAE.
bank.
The UAE Warriors has brought me to the next level, and I think it's time for me to represent UAE Warriors at the UFC. So, Dana White, Sean Shelby, if you want to call us, please call us. We're going to represent this organization into the next level. Thank you.
항상 제가 시합을 준비하면서 정말 도움을 많이 주신 분들이 많습니다. 일단 저희 팀 모이라에 지금도 열심히 운동하고 있는 저희 팀 정말 좋은 선수들이 많습니다. 한번 꼭 지켜봐 주시고 저희 시합을 항상 지켜봐 주시고 도와주시는 우리 마리오 킴 감독님 감사드립니다. 그리고 항상 도움을 많이 주시는 우리 이주홍 형님, 김태호 형님, 그리고 제일 도움을 많이 주시는 우리 김병주 대표님, 박성근 이사님 정말 감사드립니다. 그리고 지금 집에서 제 경기를 지켜보고 있을 저희 아버지, 어머니, 가족들 정말 사랑합니다.
Hey, shout out to Team Moira in Busan, South Korea. We got hell of a team down there. And last but not the least, to my coach Mario Kim. He's always working hard for us. And thank you, Ruby Sports and Entertainment. Thank you, guys.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, your champion, Gyeom Lee.